Hello and welcome to the Workload Automation channel. In this video, we will see how to deploy a workload automation environment on an OpenShift cluster using the operator. To download the packages and get the image pool secrets, check the link in the description. To deploy a new environment, log in into your cluster and then choose a project or create a new one. You have to store the console user and database passwords in a Kubernetes secret. The passwords need to be encrypted with a base64 encryption. To do that, open a bash shell and run these commands. Save the file and run the ocapply command. Now from the OpenShift console, move to Operator Hub and install the Workload Automation operator. The operator is a custom controller which can manage and automate the deployment of your instances. Once the installation is complete, move to Install the operator and create a new instance. Here you can customize your environment. You can choose the component you want to deploy, set your custom storage class, link the environment to your database, and so on. When your configuration is ready, click on the Save button. The operator will manage the entire installation process for you. Check the installation logs to verify that everything is proceeding correctly. After just over 10 minutes, the environment is up and ready to use. You can start to perform action on your server or access to the console. If you need to scale your system, move to the custom definition of your instance. Changing the replicaCount parameter, you can modify the topology of your environment. Don't worry, the operator will automatically manage the scaling. If you install Grafana, you can keep track of your environment importing the Workload Automation custom dashboard. The custom dashboard comes with a lot of useful metrics collected to help you to keep your environment always healthy. That was it. For more detailed information about the installation process, check the link in the description. If you like this content, subscribe for more.